But since you want to rent your account out, if you put that key, it will be easy because we have many accounts on our list. When they are online, you guys will not be online. So the account is just there. But if you had Google Authenticator, it will be very easy for them to log in, even though when you are not online. I beg. So once you are there, I'm actually using websites. Even it's the same process when you are using your app. Just go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, go to setting. I beg. Let's help ourselves. Just go to setting, then come to sign in and security. Then you click on two-factor authenticator at the down, the one at the down. Then you click on set. So they will send you code on your email just to confirm that you are the one that wants to. So let me get that code. So once you put the code, you just submit. Then you click on continue. You enter your password. They just want to confirm that you are the one that is doing it. You enter your LinkedIn password. Then you click on submit. So when you get it, this is the main important stuff. Is either you copy and paste it in your notes so that you will not forget. You copy this code, then you paste it in your notes so that when you finish connecting your authenticator with your LinkedIn account, you'll be able to copy the code and paste it and submit it together with your details. So copy this one now. Then go to your Google Authenticator app. You will have download Google Authenticator. This is my Google Authenticator app. So I said that this page did not show. So when you copy the code from your LinkedIn, you click on this plus sign. Then you click on this keyboard. Then you put the name LinkedIn. Just put LinkedIn. Then the key that you copy, you put it on this place. That key that you copy from your this place, you put it there. Then you just click on add. You click on add. It's very simple, not something complicated. So once you're done like that, it will be add up. You can see it here. So you just copy. You wait for this you wait for this circle to full. So immediately this circle is full, just copy. Just tap on it. That means it has copied. Then you minimize to your LinkedIn account. Then you put it and activate it. I will now minimize to this thing. Then you now click on continue. So once you click on continue, you now paste that code. Then you click on confirm. So the Google Authenticator has added to your LinkedIn account. So if you want to submit your account, the key that you copy, you now paste it under your name like this. So then you now paste that key. You will still have it on your. And if you are using Android, you will have it. So if you are using an iPhone, you may not see the key. That's why I said that you should first save the key on your notepad. So if you save the key on your notepad, just go and copy it. So this is how your details should be submitted if you want to rent your account. Your connection, the age of your account, the email, the password, then attach that key for fast login, because sometimes the company will be online, you may not be online. You understand? So this is how to set your account, and make sure that the password is correct, because if the password is not correct, that key is not useful. There's no way they will log in without your password correct. You understand? So just try to add your Google Authenticator, and if you are unable to add the Google Authenticator, no problem, you can log in manually, but just try your best to add it. So that was just the basic on how to add your authenticator.